back with another video. As you guys can tell by that title and that thumbnail down below, we is gonna be installing a wig. This is a used wig, so it will be a reinstall. I just washed it and blow dried it, so this is it, freshly washed and blow dried. Still good hair, okay? Get into it, still good hair. We finna go ahead and install it. I'm not gonna do too much talking during the intro. I'm finna take this red wig off because it's a mess. I'm finna go ahead and lift that up and then come back and go ahead and start doing my hair. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, keep watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because what you doing. And period. This first thing I'm gonna go in with is some alcohol to go ahead and lift this up because I did go in with this lace glue and y'all know it take a lot to lift this up. So I'm gonna go in and lift this up super quick. Okay, so y'all, now that I have my wig lifted, I'm gonna go in with my cap. Okay, so you guys, I just got done going in with my glue and I just did one little layer around here just because this is my first time doing this. I'm just trying this so it can actually hold the cap into place where I can, you know, because the spray don't be getting it like I normally like to get it. So now I'm gonna go in and I gotta update my TikTok. Y'all know I gotta do a TikTok of the install too. But I'm gonna go in with this spray and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna just spray it. I'm gonna spray it along while I got the glue it. And then we're gonna take the blow dryer again. You wanna really hold down your ear tabs to make sure that this part stay, because this is the most important part, the ear tabs. So I wanna make sure that it stay. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut it up. So, excuse if my part not where I want it. I gotta line my wig up how I want it and then I'll fix my part. It really is laying in the middle. Okay, so everything pretty much about ready to lay and y'all see how much it's giving like scalp already. Y'all can't even see the lace like period. So now we're gonna bring this here. Okay, so you guys, I just got done with the install. I just did my edges and everything, and I'm basically letting them sit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear my hair straight or curly whenever I wear it. I'm not getting dressed at the moment. I just went ahead and installed it. So once I get ready to style it and dress up and everything, I'll be back here to show you guys my finished product and etc, etc. So yeah, you guys stay tuned, keep watching. Okay, so you guys, it's the next day and I just took off my bonnet and everything, y'all. This is my hair. This is how it looks fresh after being in my bonnet all night. Literally. Y'all stay tuned, keep watching. We're gonna go ahead and do my hair and then that'll be everything. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product and period. Y'all stay tuned.